Ka soka jela kan lai ra e Kaiphot jo expert committee hol ke bahak tungkam tungjam ka jela hak ni Dorbar matangka ke bedang ya menta. Unung ai ketin ke sokal wadai ru menteri sokal ba wailat miki sila habakren menta ke sengi ula ong baka kan hun menteri ka rai ban ra e Kaiphot jo expert committee hol ke bahak tungkam tungjam ke jela hak sengi balang ke khat pratari ru rumpang aja punreu bat wa pun pa bu umpat la ban kelen hol kan ni ta hadu ban da wan ra apok ing Dorbar. Kamun chua mtrang ba ka jela konat ke sangma wala ong ba ka Kaiphot ke expert committee halo ke bahak tung kam tung jam kalong bar ben hadu kumba aspa kilo ka Khia bat kadon kumba saw hadu san haja sla bat kamlong ke basuk ek soka ban puli menta ban pendep no la syai kani karai ke soka ban wanra ek Kaiphot hapok ing ro tawan kalong hadin bagi sang sang pertai kamtam ka Voice of the People's Party WPP keladawa ban sai madan no kenang bagi pajba kentip yaki ek badan hapok jongka.
So it's like this: the date for calling the constituent to elect their representative under Rule 124(2), it's 9th of March 2026. Next is last date for filing of nomination is 16 March 2026 before 3 p.m. Date of scrutiny of nomination paper it is on the same day, that is 16 March 2026 after 3 p.m. Last date for withdrawal of the nomination paper will be on 17 March 2026 till 3 p.m. Date of finalization and publication of valid nomination and allotment of symbols will be on 18 March 2026, and date of poll will be on 10 of April 2026 from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. and date of counting will be on 14 of April 2026. These are the schedule.
So you can tell us about the reservation.
So regarding the reservation policy is that just today we have approved that it will be tabled on Wednesday on the floor of the House. So it will be tabled, and so until before that I cannot say anything. Yeah. Okay.